M4 accessories and installation instructions. Microscope body, microscope focusing stage, microscope auxiliary objective lens, ring light source controller, CCD, HDMI cable, light source control extension cable, light source power cable, vacuum pump hose, 2 sets of probe holders, back electrode wire, probe, 2 sets of micropositioner, machine grounding wire, hex key, flathead screwdriver, display screen. Remove the cap. Insert into the interface corresponding to the microscope focusing stage. Tighten the screw to secure it. Cover the cap. Place the microscope body into the focusing stage. Tighten the screws. Open the dust cover. Insert 2 eyepieces. Open the dust cover of the C-mount. Open the dust cover of the focusing stage. Place the lens in the position corresponding to the C-mount. Adjust the imaging of the CCD and eyepieces via the knob. When the position of the microscope body is too low, raise it using the hex key. From the accessories, tighten the screw to secure it. Secure with anti-slip lock. Fit the ring light source around the microscope body. Secure by rotating the 3 top rods on the ring light. Connect the ring light source to the ring light source controller. If the cable is not long enough, use an extension cable to connect. Insert the female end of the extension cable into the male end on the ring light source. Connect the male end of the extension cable to one of the 4 channels on the controller. Connect the power cable to the power supply of the controller. Open the dust cover of the CCD. Connect and tighten it onto the C-mount. Adjust the CCD using the knob on the C-mount. Connect the CCD with the power cable. Connect the CCD with the control handle. Press and hold the handle while sliding the button up to take continuous photos. Press the button for single shooting. Insert the SD card into the CCD for storage. Connect the CCD to the display screen. Using the HDMI cable from the accessories. Take a small section of the provided silicone hose. Connect it to the upper air hole of the vacuum pump for exhaust. Connect the silicone hose with an appropriate length to the side of the vacuum pump. Connect the other end to the base of the probe station. During testing, place the vacuum pump on the flat ground to avoid vibration, which may affect test results. Connect the back electrode wire to the chuck. Connect the short wire to the top of the chuck. Connect the long wire to the bottom of the chuck. Connect the ground wire. After powering on, sequentially turn on the display screen, light source controller. Install the Micropositioner. Determine the left and right position of the Micropositioner based on the direction of the control lever. Toggle the magnetic switch for fixation. Secure the tip holder to the Micropositioner. Tighten the screw with the hex key. Use tweezers to take out one probe. Use a flathead screwdriver to fix the probe on the tip holder. Open the magnetic switch. Move the micropositioner to align the probe with the chuck. Move the Y-axis and X-axis for testing, using the knob on the micropositioner. The M-Series probe station implements modular design. Various configurations available based on your needs.